Hi, Brittany. So, in response to your video, I would say that you make some pretty valid points. One thing I kind of laughed at was at the beginning when you said that they speak in their own dialect. I always have said this. You know, a news reporter is a news reporter just by the way they talk. They sound so like robots almost. So you're right. They do definitely have their own dialect. Another thing that you had said, I believe it was about myth 4, about how native languages are obviously, or they seem logical to us, which, yeah, I would agree to. That's a given. So I would agree also with you that myth 4 is a myth. It's just a myth. And I also like how you referenced last week's TED Talk because I also had thoughts of that too when I was watching. Anyways, loved your response. Have a good night.